Your body is working while sleeping. But how? Let us understand this, students. So what happens is when we sleep, our body is doing something continuously. That something is called as metabolism. The process of metabolism. So what is metabolism? Metabolism is nothing but all the chemical reactions that take place inside the living body. All the chemical reactions that take place inside the body of a living organism. So these chemical reactions can also be called as all the chemical processes or chemical activities that involve certain type of reactions. So what are the examples of metabolism? Very simple. The first and the most easiest example is the process of digestion. As we know, students, that digestion is nothing but the process in which complex food molecules are broken down into the simpler substances, right? So what happens is this process of digestion is going to happen even when you are sleeping. It is a continuous process. Clear? Example number 2, we are going to talk about the process of breathing. So what involves breathing? Very simple. In breathing, we are going to take in oxygen, O2, and we are going to release out CO2. Gaseous exchange takes place, right? And this breathing process is also carried out when you are sleeping. It doesn't stop when you sleep, right? And third example is nothing but energy production. What happens is, children, inside our body, especially inside the cells, energy is being produced continuously, no matter of what you do. Even when you are sleeping, energy is produced. Why do we need energy? Actually, this energy production concept is something that is connected with the most important concept known as respiration. Don't worry about respiration, students. I'm going to explain this in detail in the upcoming videos, but for time being, just understand that energy production is going to happen continuously inside our cells. So why do we need energy? We need energy, our body needs energy to do various activities. For example, even if you want to move your muscle for heartbeat, if the heart wants to beat, the heart beating for that purpose, and even when the cells want to repair themselves, for the cells repair, and every basic, every simple to complex work of your body needs energy. Clear? So all these processes like digestion, breathing, and energy production, which are going to happen automatically inside your body, these are known as the chemical processes, as they involve certain chemical reactions. Okay, we are going to talk about them in detail in the upcoming videos. So these chemical reactions or these chemical processes or these chemical activities are together known as metabolism. Clear, children? So why are we why is our body working while sleeping? Because our body is showing metabolism. Clear? That means even when sleeping, we are internally active. Internally, we are active while sleeping. So this concept of metabolism is very important, children. So metabolism, as we know, it is one of the important characteristics of life. Like, as we know, living things show some characters. In that, important character is metabolism. Along with that, it is defining character, nothing but it is going to clearly tell whether life exists or not. For example, let's assume we have substance A. Substance A is showing metabolism, and we have substance B. Substance B is not showing metabolism. That means substance A is having life. Substance A is living and substance B is non-living. Clear? So it is going to tell us, it is going to define us, it is going to define living things, what is living things and what is non-living things. Clear? So whichever shows metabolism is living, whichever do not show metabolism is non-living. So students, in this I would like to tell about one thing, That one thing is, as we know, biology loves exceptions. So what is the exception? We have an exception, that is of virus. So viruses are some special type of microorganisms. They are going to behave differently when they are outside the living body. They do not show metabolism. When they are inside the living body, only then they are going to show metabolism. Clear, students? So I hope the answer for the question is, why does our body keeps working when sleeping? Because it shows metabolism. Clear? Thank you, students. Hope it helps.